everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to live like Rory Gilmore. I have this little notepad with all my tips and tricks on how to be like her. First things first, we all know Rory's love and obsession with coffee. So the first thing you're gonna do is enjoy coffee or a tea or a hot chocolate. I feel like just carrying around a little beverage with you can really help romanticize whatever you're doing, especially because when you drink hot stuff, it really slows you down and you have to be mindful when you do drink hot stuff. So you do take in the moment. I don't know if that's just me, but I feel like that is just a way to romanticize stuff, especially bringing it around with you. It's just really cute. If you don't like coffee, that's fine. I also don't really like coffee, but I'm gonna try it for the sake of this video. You can also have tea. Chamomile is really nice. I love that one, and also peppermint. In the mornings, green tea is also really good because it has that caffeine, and it's also really good caffeine. Or also hot chocolate or white chocolate. There's even pink hot chocolate. It tastes really good. I love hot chocolate with some caramel and cinnamon. French kiss. It is so delicious. If you haven't tried it, putting cinnamon and caramel in there, you need to do that definitely. I have some hot water here and some chamomile tea. Girl, no, it's tangled. Let's try this one again. Cheers to Rory Gilmore. Oh, that's hot. Especially late at night, teas can just be super calming. It's also a special way to set the mood. Lying down with a cup of tea.
Using my coffee for content. Crazy.
I have my sister's coffee that she made for me because I hate coffee. I'm gonna try it again and see if I like it. This one has some chai in it and just obviously milk. I don't like that. This really does confirm that I still hate coffee. Now, Rory is really academic and really smart as well. She's also really good at school. We all know that she does her homework as soon as she gets it. So really try and do that and romanticize your studying by listening maybe to some jazz music or some piano music. I love to do that. Even if it's like 2 weeks away, set a mini deadline to yourself and act like it is the actual deadline. I feel like that's something she definitely does, especially because she also lets herself have the weekend free while she tries to with her studying. Ways that we can see her study is via flashcards. You can also have your little coffee or beverage while you are studying as well. We can also see that she's very interactive in class and answers questions and also asks questions. If you're ever stuck, don't be ashamed because it does actually help when you do interact in class a lot. To embody her, it really does help to dress like her and also do your makeup like her as well. Rory has very simplistic, minimalistic makeup. I think she basically just wears mascara, maybe does like some other little stuff as well, but it's not very noticeable. If I had to characterize her aesthetic into an aesthetic, I would probably say downtown girl vibes. So here's some inspo for downtown girl vibes. We can see she's very preppy with her uniform. So if you have a uniform, that's a fun little way to spice things up and feel like her. If you don't have a uniform, you can also just dress up in a uniform when you go to school, or just put like a little collared shirt and then a skirt or even like a blazer. That's just a cute little way. She has quite a simplistic style, which is just like basic t-shirts. Like I've definitely seen her just wear a basic neck tee like what I'm wearing now. She definitely has one of those in her wardrobe. As she is very smart, she definitely reads a lot. So to really embody her, start reading. Read books that you like, even self-help books. You know, I really love self-help books right now. Recently, I purchased these 2 books. This is Atomic Habits. I listened to it on audiobook, and I definitely recommend. I feel like it has helped me create healthy habits as well. And Good Vibes, Good Life. I have not read this one yet, but I've heard some really good recommendations about it. These are just examples, but you know, if you like fantasy, you can definitely read some fantasy or horror or just anything. Just read. And if you're feeling extra, you can also carry your books around you, romanticize it, holding your book, you know, going to class, stuff like that. Also, a fun little way if you want to embody any character, not just Rory, we can listen to playlists inspired by her and the movie. I love doing this when I have a little obsession of a character or I really want to get into a mood of being like that character. So here are like some I found on Spotify. I feel like they're very downtown girly vibes. Now, let's do our makeup like Rory. I'm gonna clip my hair back using these super cute pink clips. So I have a photo of Rory's makeup here on Pinterest. She just wears like mascara, maybe some eyebrow gel, a little gloss or something on her lips, as well as she has like a little dark undertone under her eyes. This might be mascara, or maybe she added some eyeshadow as well. She also has very good clear skin, so we have to make sure that we do our good skincare just to be like her. I'm gonna start off with this glow toner. I'm gonna start off with this glow toner from Charlotte Tilbury. I got this from a friend for my birthday and it's so good and super hydrating. It also smells really good. We have to make sure that our skin is really prepped, so I'm also gonna roll my face with some of these ice things. I love them, like when you turn it upside down, it just like so aesthetic. These really do make your routine feel bougie. I'm not sure if Rory would use it, but I feel like, you know, you never know, maybe she does use them. And now we're definitely gonna depuff the face with this ice roller. For some clear skin, I'm gonna be using the Ordinary Salicylic. That is not right. I don't know. Salicylic acid 2%. I have literally no idea if that's how you say it or not. Let's use some of this. Gotta get our skin looking good, just like Rory's. Let's put on some moisturizer because she definitely looks like she has very hydrated skin. And always sunscreen. She would definitely wear sunscreen, even in the autumn. To set the cool autumn cozy vibe, let's set a candle. Here's this clean cotton one. I don't have any autumn scents, unfortunately. This is like the closest one I have to something autumny. She would definitely burn pumpkin spice candle in her house, but this one is very, very delicious smelling. I love gloss ASMR, if you couldn't tell. Hello, can you burn? Yeah! Since they're always drinking something, let's make something to drink while doing her makeup. A drink that I really love, which I don't think Rory drinks, or maybe like I don't really remember, but I don't think so because they drink coffee. But since I don't like coffee, you know, let's experiment with other different drinks. I love vanilla chai, so let's have some things you can drink to feel like Rory if you're not a coffee girl. I love this. I got this on Amazon. David Rio. Divine. Since I'm filming this on a warmer day, I'm gonna make it iced, but it also tastes really good warm as well. First, you put on the kettle because you want to mix the chai with some warm water. My milk of choice is this coconut milk. I don't know why, but I just love adding it into drinks. I'm not sure what milk Rory drinks. Don't think she would drink coconut milk. I'm also lactose intolerant, so this is why I love coconut milk. But you know, whatever drink you want, you can have any milk with it. I feel like this could get away with being an iced coffee. Like, it kind of looks like coffee. So let's pretend it's coffee so I can really embody Rory's habits. That is so good. You guys need to try this. Rory would definitely approve. Even though it's not coffee, I feel like she would definitely like this. Now for the makeup, I'm just gonna put some eyebrow gel on, just because her eyebrows are like so perfect and tidy. She definitely curls her lashes and puts some mascara on. The mascara I'm gonna use is this Sky High one. It is in brown. I feel like she would wear brown and black, but today I only have the brown color. And I'm also gonna do my bottom lashes to achieve that darker look. And now I'm gonna put some darker undertones. I'm just gonna put that color underneath my eyes since she does have this like dark undertone under her eyes. Finally, I'm gonna put some of this Labello lip balm kind of, just to give it like this little tint that Rory has. This is the finished Rory Gilmore makeup. I hope that I also helped show you how to do it too. You should definitely try this makeup out and try it out for yourself to really be like Rory. I hope that my tips were able to help you feel and be like Rory Gilmore. I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!